So, hello everyone, and yeah, one of the last parts of the Defender. So super happy because we've been a long time to make all these insides of the Defender that normally are in this rubber that gets squirted, get broken because of the edges. And what we did, we transform it in leather. So as you can see, we have everything ready. Let me open that. So for example, here we have the battery compartment, everything the same as the rubber, but handcrafted. And one of the last things, you knew that we were doing all the insides with a new radio, all the speakers, tweeters, well, the bass in here. Yeah, it's gonna be terrible as we're gonna, well, here we have the sample where the specialist, as I'm not really in tune with that, I really understand it, but I have an expert who has been all his life doing that. So he told me what we need to go through and how we could improve this car. So at the end, I was missing some covers. Obviously, we're gonna remove that one, gonna be on top of this one, but it's gonna be here on the center, covering. I'm still missing some parts that we did the design. They are in cutting on the industry next to us. So we're gonna have some parts covering all these tops on the back. We're also gonna have some corners covering and protecting the edges. And yeah, I'm so happy to say that we are nearly finishing this project. At the same time, what we're gonna see next, how we fit all the doors, trims, how we fit and we adjust everything. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice trip together, finishing this car, and yeah, super proud of it after all these designs and all the effort. Look at that. That's what we gonna do here. So we did the same. Instead of going totally naked as they used to be, you know that we did this soundproofing. Look, the sound of that, it's gonna be incredible. So after putting that, you see, I don't know if with the camera we can see, we can focus in here. So we're gonna have some angles coming from here to here in order to tight this leather. Same here, same in there. Here is gonna be glued as we have the trim going on top. And yeah, it's gonna be super cool, really. So yeah, last things, let's continue. Okay. So we are ready to fit the back leather into the rear part. This is really smelly. And yeah, so we are gonna add glue into the edges, and then we're gonna add the material. And we really need to be concentrate, so I'm not gonna talk much into that. We need to be quick. In Spain we are 38-39 degrees, so as you can imagine, it dries really quick. Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, if you continue watching the video, give us a like and follow us. you did it. So finally, now we're going to the ITV, so it's kind of checks that we need to do here in Spain to go through all the homologations that we did in this car. Yeah, so quite delighting. So let's go, we're gonna do a test drive, and while we go there, and let's see if we go through correct or incorrect, or we need to modify something. Let's go. Car is going straight. Yep, all straight, perfect. Super cool of the work that we did. So we are about to arrive. Let's see what's going on. We go through, the engineer is happy with us, or we need to modify some of the modifications that we have done. Normally everything is accepted, everything is correct. Let's see. So now what we're gonna do, we will wait in the queue and let's see what's going on. See you in a bit. Well, we have finished everything and now we are waiting for the approval. So let's see if they bring the label that normally here gets, well, you stick it in front of the car so the police can see if it's correct or not while they are checking cars on the street. So here waiting, let's see if we have it. It's taking a while, so I stop the car. Getting a little bit nervous if we go through or not, because after all the work that we have done, waiting for someone just checking everything that you did, and so that if it's in compliance with the Spanish regulations and so on. Well, we haven't cut the car in half, so we just did a great job with disassembly, the suspension. We fit a proper suspension on it. We reinforced some of the parts, so, well, you know, this is the government. But we need to go through, and we're gonna do it legal, as it needs. Here it comes. Importa que la posi jo? Si la poso...
Sí, cap problema.
I need to advise Tony. So, we did it. We're gonna now come back to the garage as all the papers are done. We are correct. You have seen the label, and well, until tomorrow we will not have the official documents. Going out of the garage to test for the last time the Land Rover Defender that we did with a lot of love. As you can see, we are having fun driving the Defender through these nice roads that we always test the cars. I even hit a mosquito which is now in front of my eyes that I need to clean. We make the car higher but at the same time wider, so which gives us a really cool stability that I can really turn. I'm like feeling that I am in the sky, but the car really stays in the floor. It's not like moving because it's really high, and the suspension's, well, really nice work that we have done. It's not because we have done the work, it's because really I'm super happy of the feelings of the car, and I know my customer will really enjoy it because he loves to drive the car, not off-road, because the car is not designed to go off-road. It's a car it's designed to, well, to show and to have a nice roads drive that you can, well, you can do off-roads of course, but it's not the car for that. And super cool, eh, Tony? Tony is with me here recording next to me, and it's super cool how when I really throttle it goes and it stays. Yeah? And yeah, we arrived to the place where we took all the pictures. We're gonna park. We're gonna make all these nice pictures we do to all the cars. But I really had fun driving this car.